Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, so now I'm going to plug some of the wiring back in, but so I did the earth from the battery, which went to one of the two studs that went straight through into the block. This is the positive for the starter. I will do Loctite again. Okay, that was a 10mm. And I couldn't find a torque setting for that one, so I've just treat it like normal bolts and just not do it too tight. Okay, now I'm not sure exactly where all these wires went. This one here is the neutral switch. Just seems to be lots of spare wire. I suppose it all just hides behind the toolkit area. I just don't want anything pulling. So I think this large white one was for the stator coil from memory, because I've had trouble getting that one out. So I think this one, I guess it's good to only maybe fit one thing at a time. Okay, oh, that's right, there's one down here, that's the oil temperature sensor. Actually, that's the one I went and got some tape, because I don't know whether it was on there for a reason, but so I think that could be fuel tank. So I think maybe that's for the something for the stator. I need to have a check at the right hand casing and have a look. That's the breather. Now the other side. Okay, it's more of a triangle shape, so I think that goes on that one. Okay, I heard a click. There's one here. What's that's there? That's for the battery. And I think that's for the fuel tank. So I think so fuel tank there. Although that might be, unless there's a long cord on the fuel tank. So I think there's 2 cords on the crankcase, 2 cords on the fuel tank. So 1, 2, so 1, 2, maybe that's the fuel tank, 2, 3, and the big white one down here. Okay, so I think that's about it for there. Okay, I'll see what's up next.